Hey guys, we're down at Oxford Gym this morning and we're going to be putting together a fly-through video where we fly a little drone like this one through some of the action that you'd see every day down here at the gym. So come along and see how we do it. Stay back until the drone exits the last one, and then just do whatever you want after that. Then keep going, and it's going to see you throw the ball, and it's going to go past either above or beside or around the ball. Awesome. Now smile. And the drone's going to fly through here, and it's going to like duck out, and then we're going to fly through here. We're going to have that go up and stay up, and it's going to go through. Can we move these so that they're like in line, so that the middle is in line with the logo? I'm super excited for this one. It's going to be awesome. Guys, you did so well. Thank you so much. That was awesome. That's how we do it.